So we have another question on calculus, which is derivative of exponential function. How to solve this one is a little bit technical, but it's very simple. It's simple. But we need to remember that 1 over sine x is equal to cosec x. 1 over cos x is equal to sec x. Sine x over cos x is equal to tan x. Cos x over sine x is equal to cot x. Okay, then 1 over tan x is equal to cot x, as the case may be. So you need to learn this so that as anything, if you see anything called trigonometric function, this is sine x trigonometry, you should know that one of these may occur in the process. So that is why this should be your mind. So I'm showing you now. I'll say let u equal to sine x. They are writing a theory-based question. You say let u be sine x. Okay? Then y equal to len u. We go back again that the u all over the y all over the u will always give us 1 over u. Okay, this is constant. Anytime you are solving this question, you see it here. In u, in x, dy dx is 1 over x. So if you replace it with u, it will always give you 1 over u. So you don't even need to stress yourself in this area. Where the problem lies is u equal to sine x. Okay, so the u, the x is equal to what? So if you differentiate sine x, you get cos s. Differentiate sine x, you get cos s. Now, we have dy du equal to 1 over u. We have du dx equal to cos x. Now, we apply our normal rule, chain rule. Dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx. By now, you ought to have mastered this rule. So you just quote it anytime, anything. Now, dy dx is equal to, what is dy du? Dy du is 1 over u. What is du dx? Du dx is what? Cos x. Okay, you will now notice something, that dy dx is supposed to be the final answer, but we need to remove this u because we need s, and u is already sine x. So we say cos x times 1 is cos s all over u is sine x. Okay, now we have seen that cos s over sine s is dy dx, but we cannot leave it here because this is not the simplified form. We need to reduce it to the lowest term. That is the simplified form. And if you check very well, this is the simplified form. So if you have 1 over sine s, you have cosec x. 1 over cos s is sec x. Sine x over cos s is tan x. Cos s over sine s is cot s. 1 over tan s is cot x. So this is the simplified form, and this is not yet simplified. And that is why this cannot be the answer, because it's not yet simplified. Cos s over sine x, therefore, will give us cot x. So this is the simplified form, and that is the final solution. Okay, that is for question that is exam theory based. Let's see the shortcut. Okay, now if we are solving the same question, find y equal to sine x, find the y dx. Now you are solving shortcut. Okay, when you have this question here in x, 1 over x, in sine x, what will you do? Just assume this is x, x, x. So you just write 1 all over sine x. And now, what actually replaced x is sine x. Differentiate that thing. So if you differentiate sine x, you get cos s. Multiply it by the numerator. So we have cos s times 1, which is cos s. Now, the y, the x is equal to cos s over sine s. See it here. Cos s over sine s is cot s. Cot s. And that is the answer. So it is easier using shortcut for objective questions and using the other method, which is the theory-based question. Now, when you master this, it will help you to solve trigonometric function, especially when you're finding the derivative of the trigonometric function. If this is your first time of seeing my video, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.